Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping back in time with a true American classic, the 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu SS, a car that blends vintage charm with performance. With its striking silver color, this beauty represents a bygone era when muscle cars ruled the streets. Let's dive in and take a closer look at what makes this car a standout, both then and now. First, let's talk about the exterior. The 1972 Chevelle Malibu SS is all about bold lines and aggressive styling. From the long hood to the sculpted fenders, it has that unmistakable muscle car presence. The silver paint with its subtle metallic sheen really catches the light, giving the car an elegant yet menacing look. The chrome details from the front grille to the trim around the windows add a touch of class to the powerful exterior. And of course, those iconic SS badges are front and center, reminding everyone that this is the high-performance version of the Chevelle. Inside, the Chevelle Malibu SS has a no-frills classic vibe. The interior is a mix of comfort and simplicity, with a focus on the driver. You've got those signature bucket seats which are comfortable, but also provide the support needed for spirited driving. The dashboard is straightforward, with all the essential gauges laid out in a clear, easy-to-read format. The steering wheel has that classic look, and you'll notice the distinct gear shift lever that takes you back to the days when muscle cars ruled the roads. There's nothing fancy here, but that's exactly what gives this car its charm. It's pure, unfiltered driving enjoyment. Now, let's get to the good stuff. The performance. Under the hood, the 1972 Chevelle Malibu SS is powered by a 5.7-liter V8 engine, which delivers a healthy amount of horsepower and torque. You can feel the power as soon as you step on the gas, with that unmistakable growl coming from the exhaust. The acceleration is smooth and satisfying, and even though it's over 50 years old, the performance still holds up. The car has that classic muscle car feel. Heavy, responsive steering, a bit of body roll, but all in a way that reminds you of its raw, untamed power. Whether you're cruising on the highway or taking tight corners, this Chevelle is built to thrill. Of course, while it's a powerhouse, it's not necessarily the most refined ride. This car isn't about luxury or high-tech features. It's about pure, visceral driving. The handling is a little heavy by today's standards, but that's part of the charm. You're not driving a modern sports car. You're driving a piece of history. So, what's this piece of history going to cost you today? Well, prices for the 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu SS can vary widely depending on condition, mileage, and whether it's been restored. On average, you can expect to pay anywhere from $30,000 to $60,000 for a well-maintained example. Some fully restored models or ones with higher performance specs can go for even more, especially if they have that original muscle car magic. It's definitely an investment, but for fans of American muscle, it's a worthwhile one. So there you have it, the 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu SS. A classic that's still got plenty of muscle and charisma. Whether you're a collector or just a fan of classic cars, this car is a true icon of American automotive history. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more classic car reviews. I'll see you in the next one.